Hi everyone, this is Merly and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily harden off your plants. We are now in my carport and the sun just came out. Like, it was rainy all day and well, luckily it stopped and the sun is out. But that's not what I want to talk about. I want to talk about my tomato seedlings behind me that are looking so pretty and how I harden them off. To harden off your plants that you started indoors, what you can do is to take them outside for 1 hour first day, 2 hours in the second day, and then you keep on increasing the time that they spend outside, up to 5 to 7 days, and then after that you can just leave them outside. Now the thing is, you're not supposed to put them under direct sunlight, and when I started, that was over 5 years ago, I only had like maybe a couple trays of plant starts that I hardened off, so that was easy. But then I now have so many plant trays, and so it's kind of hard to take them back inside the house. And so I figured out that if I take my seedlings to my carport on an overcast day, and say for example if I have 3 straight days, overcast days, 3 straight overcast days, and then I will just leave them in my carport, they will do just fine. And I don't have to take them back inside. And it works for me. So I'm going to show you what these tomatoes look like, the ones behind me. They have been spending their sweet time growing in my carport for over a week, and they look really good. These are my geranium kiss tomatoes. They're the small type and they can only grow up to probably 18 to 24 inches tall. So they're the tiny ones. And then these big ones right here are my San Marzano tomatoes. These are the Romas. More San Marzano tomatoes in here and some cherries. I have some blueberry tomatoes. And there's a purple bumblebee in here and many others. So look at how pretty these plants are. Isn't it amazing? And the thing is, I don't have to spend time to take these plants in and out of my house. My grow light setup is in my basement, so that's a lot of walking up and down the stairs if I take them in and out of my house every day. And so what I do is I just take them outside on an overcast day, leave them in here, and that's it. Sometimes they get a little bit of sunburn or some leaf damage because of the wind, but that is fine. They can recover from that. And these are my sweet potatoes. Look at that. There is actually no damage on the leaves of these sweet potatoes. They love it out here. And these sweet potatoes have been outside for over 2 weeks. Like, they're ready to be in the garden, but the issue is that the ground is still a little bit too cold for them because these are warm weather plants. And so they're just hanging out here in my carport waiting for the right time to be planted in my garden. This method of hardening off my seedlings work really great for me, and it saves me a lot of time. So if you want to try this, go ahead and see if it works for you as well. So that's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!